To Foamy.com, and I've got a fantastic new accessory. This is the micro USB 4-in-1 audio adapter. You can use this HTC audio adapter with a couple of different HTC devices, the T-Mobile G1, the HTC Shadow, the Touch Diamond. For a complete list of compatible devices, do visit us at Foamy.com. So there are a couple of different ports on this accessory. We do have the standard HTC headset adapter. We have a 2.5mm audio jack, a 3.5mm audio jack, a standard micro USB connection, and we also have a power indicator light. I'm plugging this into your HTC USB port, like so. And with that plugged in, you now have the option to plug in a range of different cables simultaneously. You're able to sync or charge. And when charging, your LED light will change to a bright white. While charging, you're also able to hook up your 3.5mm headphones or 2.5mm headphones. And also another great thing about this product is that the 2.5 and 3.5 audio jacks do have inline mic support, so you are able to have a hands-free conversations as well as listen to your favorite music. It's a really cool product. It does allow the user to connect several different cables simultaneously to their phone. It is made by HTC, so it's OEM original quality you can trust. So get your 4-in-1 micro USB audio cable for your HTC device today at Foamy.com.